Hey Red Wolf Nation, hope you're doing well in your finals, finish strong, good GPAs, that's the most important thing, but really most important is stay safe, wear a mask, be wise.
Go Red Wolves!
Go Red Wolves.
Stay strong, Red Wolves.
Go Red Wolves.
Go Red Wolves!
IU Citizens, go Red Wolves.
Hey Red Wolves, stay safe and stay strong.